Alright, what I got, it's about a 3.5 by 3 or so. Just gonna round this off. Had a little nub on here. I forgot to start the camera. First thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put a tenon on here so I can spin it around. I'm leaning towards a vase right now, but I don't know what these nubs are. So let's see what happens. Oops. Now that the nub's gone, I can move this up some more. Let's see how that is. Not too bad. I gotta learn to cut better with this thing. Let's try it. Looks nicer when it's when you feed it right. Okay. So I'm gonna take a length off of this. Now I'm gonna go a little more. I'll take this off just to get it flush around. So I need it somewhere in this area here. Yeah. You hear that ding-a-ling-ling-ling? Yeah, just a smidgen too close. Alright. Let's see how the skew does. Yeah, that'd be a nice tenon right there. Let's see if it's going to be small enough to fit. Part off will be here. That's part off. Alright. I can make this. Alright, let's see what happens as I get this thing rounded off. Alright, that's good. We'll just sand it down. Then I can hollow it out, open it up some, and part it off. Sweet. Alright, we'll let that sit for a bit. And then I'll come back and put another coat and then buff it out. And then put some get some Yorkshire Grit. I like this stuff, it's pretty good. Not sponsored. Still like it. Alright, she's nice and dry. I'm gonna go ahead and put some Yorkshire Grit on it. And we'll hollow it out and finish it up. There she goes. Looks good. Alright, just gotta dig it out. That'll be the end of that. Okay, so I got it pretty well hollowed out in here. Show you out here some. I don't know if you'll be able to see it or not. Maybe not. But anyway, she's hollowed out pretty good. Just gotta figure out how to get in there sanding everything now. Alright, now I just gotta part it off. We're done. Parting tool. It's a nice little vase. One vase. Not too shabby. Not the funnest looking inside. I gotta find something that I can get in deep for sanding and stuff, but considering what I had, this is pretty nice. Not too shabby. I like it. All right, y'all enjoy. Till the next one.